I don't even know how to start this video. All right, well, here goes nothing. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. This is a very, very exciting video because I will be showing some products that have been sent to me by Mob Beauty, which is a brand I've been inspired by for months and months, and I've been very impatiently waiting for launch. And they were very kind enough to send me a PR box with some goodies, which blows my mind. It was so nice of them to send me that. So thank you, Mob Beauty. And I just want to show you what I got. And I had originally planned to do like an unboxing, first impressions, but I got way too excited and I opened everything and I already played with a couple things. But now I have kind of a better idea and some more kind of solid opinions on what I think about some of the products so far. So if you want to keep watching, please do so. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And follow me on Instagram, SameIamBeautyX. I'll leave all my information in the description bar as well. Before we get started, this beautiful grandma sweater is from savatage.ca. I have a affiliate discount code, which is SAM15, SAM15. I'll put it somewhere on the screen here to get 15% off your purchase. So I'll leave that information down below as well. And my earrings, oh my god, my hair is like flipping out and I hate it. But my earrings are from Harmony. And I'll link that below as well. I don't have a discount code with them. But Harmony, if you want to give me one, you know, totally open to that. And please ignore my Christmas nails. We are in lockdown and I cannot get my nails done. But anyways, enough of my blabbing. Let's get started. All the items came in this box. And all of the packaging is in little cardboard components. And it does say, this box and packing paper are made from 100% post-consumer recycled materials. Please recycle responsibly. So one of the reasons that I've been so excited for the launch of Mob Beauty, which by the way launches on the 21st of January, I'll put that somewhere on the screen as well, is because they are a clean beauty, vegan, and cruelty-free brand that really focus on sustainability, which I think is amazing. If you know me, you know that that's really what I like to support when I spend my money. So again, I'm really excited about this. Anyways, you know I'm excited. Okay, so like I said, everything comes in this little cardboard packaging, which is really nice because again, it can all be recycled. And it all comes like this. So the whole premise of kind of the range of products is to put into kind of a palette like this. Oh, I had it upside down. And you can see here all the colors that I've been gifted, which are stunning. And excuse me, it's still a little bit dirty because, so I can actually just hold it like this. And you can see all the colors. So we have some eyeshadows here, and then a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer. So each item comes individually in like a little pan that can be inserted into this packaging. So it looks like this when it's empty, and then each little component has like, it's like a puzzle, just puzzle pieces to insert it. And you can, you know, rearrange it however you'd like, really. And then this little middle layer snaps down. And so that allows it to hold it in place. And then you, of course, just have your clear lid on top. And what's really great about this is that you can still see the names of everything if you just flip over the palette, because it just, the little pieces just poke through. You can see everything that you're using, so that, you know, in like a normal kind of make your own palette, you would have to take out the eyeshadow to see the name underneath. Whereas with this, you can just flip over the palette and have all the names there, which I have to say is so handy. Now, one thing I really wish they would have done is made really cute names for the eyeshadows. Now, they did explain in a post or a story, I can't remember, why they have this naming system. So it's like M64 eyeshadow, M33 eyeshadow, M6 eyeshadow, etc., etc. But I thought names would have been cute. Anyways, that's a very small detail. Yeah, so again, these are all the colors I was gifted. So, so, so pretty. Like, is this just not me in a palette? I think it is. I think it really is. Whoever chose these colors for me, or I don't really know how they sent out their PR packages, but bravo, amen. These are beautiful, and these are exactly the kind of colors I really like. As well, for the lip products, they come in individual components like this with a clear cap, and then you can buy this bullet to insert each product. So it just comes out like that, and then you just take this and you pop it in. And again, this is just so that you can purchase the refillable lipstick components, and then keep the bullet. It just reduces waste, which is really, really nice. So I was gifted a lip balm and a lipstick that I'm really excited to try. And then let's move on to playing with the eyeshadow. So there is a decent amount of kickback, which doesn't really bother me, but just to let you know. I don't really know what look I'm going for right now, but I just kind of want to try out most of the colors if I can. So I'm just taking, I think this is M6. Yeah, M6 eyeshadow, and just putting that in my crease and a little bit higher. It's going to be a really nice transition shade. And then I'm going to go in with the M33, which is more like a peachy shade. Put that in the crease as well. This is really pretty. And I'm going to take both of those two colors and put them underneath as well. Oh, my back hurts. I'm trying to sit up so straight right now. Now I'm going to go in with the red shade, which is M64. And I'm kind of going to put that on the outer V portion. I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to bring that red shade in to about the middle of the lid. With this red shade, I think I expected it to be darker, but it's kind of nice that you can build it without having it be too much all at once. So now I'm just going to go back in with the peach shade, which was M33, and I'm going to bring that in the middle to blend out where that red shade is. That's pretty. And then I'm really excited about this shimmer shade, which is called M43. So first I'm going to put it on with no spray, without wetting the brush. Okay, wow. Wow, Mob, you did that. Holy crap. Okay, I did not wet my brush. And that, well, that's just that. Wow, this color is beautiful. I feel like I'll be able to use this a lot on my brides. Wow, that is so pretty. I'm going to wet it so we can compare the difference, see if there is one at all. So this is the difference. This is the wet one, and this is the not wet one. Honestly, I don't really see much of a difference. Maybe I'll see a difference when I'm like editing this, but just from looking from afar, like I can't really see too much of a difference, which is crazy because normally a wet brush will make a metallic shadow pop, like just extremely shimmery, really beautiful. But this is really pretty on its own. Like it doesn't even need to be wet. I mean, like, tell me if I'm wrong, but it's beautiful. Like I said, it's beautiful all on its own. So I'm going to go back in with that peachy color to blend out the edges. Now, there's a really beautiful teal color, so I'm going to kind of do a liner on the top. Again, I'm just going to use it dry first and then see if I need to wet it. I'm going to do a little V action here, just for funsies. And I have kind of hooded lids, so you'll only really be able to tell when I'm looking down, but I think that's kind of fun. Also, I'm going to mention that there is no fallout on my face. Absolutely none. Which could be a testament to the brushes I've been using, but also could be a testament to the eyeshadows. So you decide. Because I'm one of those people that have to do their face first. Like, I don't know why. I just have to. So that's all dry. I am going to go... It's fine. I am going to go in and wet the brush to see what difference that makes with the matte shadows. Okay, yeah, that makes a difference, which I mean is relatively normal for a matte shadow to be more pigmented while it's wet. I'm also going to go into, did I say the name of the teal shadow? I don't think I did. It's M39, and now I'm going to go in with M4, which is just like a really nice chocolate brown. It's this one here. And I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. And actually, I'm going to mix it with the red. I'm going to do the brown and the red mixed together on the lower lash line. I also got sent their cake liner, which is M41. It looks just like a shadow. I haven't touched it. Yeah, it's a powder. So it's called a liner, but I think it might just be a black shadow. I'm sure you can use it as a liner, just like I use this teal one as a liner. I think I'm going to put that on my lower lash line as well. And also, this one didn't fit in the palette that I was sent. I mean, I will be purchasing other palettes. So again, I'm just going to go in with this dry first. I feel like I have a dog hair somewhere on my face. It's like somewhere right here. Oh, here it is. I'm just kind of keeping that more towards the outside of my eye. It's working pretty well so far. And again, no fallout. So that's that. I'm going to do, put on some lashes and do some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my lashes and mascara are on. These are the Reinessence Beauty Luxury Lashes. This is a Black-owned brand based out of Canada, so I'm happy to support them. And let's move on to the face products. I'm so excited. Okay, so one thing I noticed yesterday when I was playing around with the face products is that you just have to be careful if you're using a really large brush, just because you don't want to get into the other colors in the palette. For example, like yesterday, went into the bronzer, accidentally got blue on the brush, and didn't notice until I put it on, which was, you know, not really fun. But so I have noticed that I kind of have to use smaller brushes, which is fine. Or like, you know, eventually I'll maybe just have these like in a separate palette, so it's not as big of a deal. And this bronzer is M42. So I'm just going to put that in my normal spots. I don't really have to put bronzer up here because my hair covers it, but I still like to. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the highlighter color, which is a little bit too dark for me, but that's okay. It's really pretty still. This is not the right brush, but my other highlighting brush is dirty. Can you see that glow? Oh, that's so pretty. Even though this highlight is too dark for me, I'd still use it because it gives my cheeks a really nice glow. And now I'm gonna go into the blush. Oh, and the highlighter is M51, and the blush I'm gonna use is M20. Oh my god, this blush is so pretty. For that, I just use like the lightest tab. And let's do some blush on the nose. It's so cute. Now for the lips. Okay, so I got the M25 Balm. Oh my god. I think I left this in the sun and it melted. Oh no. Shoot. I think that was my fault. Well, I'll still swatch it. Oh my god. It's like completely goo. I might have to throw that in the fridge. It's also really hot in my room. So this is the lip balm. That's such a pretty color. I hope you can see that really well. And then I was also gifted the lipstick in M35. Hold on, let me go put on a lip liner. Okay, I lined my lips and now I'm going to apply this lipstick. Okay, it's very creamy. I think I'm gonna, this is really, really creamy. I think I'm gonna use a brush. Okay, so I kind of had to reline my lips with the lipstick because the lip liners I used weren't really the right color. But this is the final look, and I'm so sorry if it got darker. Ugh, I should have filmed this earlier, but I am so happy with everything I used. Like A++. I mean, tell me what you think, because I'm obsessed. Everything was really easy to use. I mean, you know, I'm a little bummed out that I melted the lip balm, but such is life. Also, was not expecting the liner to be powder. I am not a fan of putting like powder in my waterline, so I don't really know how that works. It's still like a really nice black eyeshadow, nothing wrong there. And the colors of these are beautiful, so stunning. I'm just really happy, honestly, truly. And I would definitely recommend you picking this up on launch day. I mean, stunning. And this is really great for artists, for the day-to-day person, but this is really, really nice to have everything in one place. I think I am going to pick up more palettes so that I can have all my shadows in one, and then maybe like all my blushes and bronzers and highlighters in another. But all in all, this is a beautiful, beautiful collection. They did send me a little brief with all the shades, and I really want to pick up more because they have some really, really stunning colors. Like I need them all, basically. And I really want to grab a lighter highlighter because, I mean, it doesn't really look too dark for me on camera, does it? Or does it? I don't know. It's really beautiful. It's just slightly too dark. I'm sorry, I'm going to pick up another one. And they also have different sizes for this. So they have smaller ones as well, which is really nice and good to know. I really, really appreciate the packaging and how they really try to focus on reducing waste and how this is really earth friendly. That's something I really, really look for in a brand now. I do think that more brands need to get on board with kind of more sustainable goals, but I think Mob did such a good job. So congratulations, Mob, on the launch of your brand. And again, thank you so much for sending me these beautiful products. I really, really appreciate it. I will have everything listed below. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, let me know what other videos you want to see. And that's all for today. Thanks again so much. Bye.